The federal relief and assistance that we have been providing has included FEMA providing $750 for folks who need immediate needs being met.
I just want everyone to know that we are displaced due to Hurricane Helen from Western North Carolina. We cannot go home. We have no power, no food, no water, no nothing. We are spending $400 a night on a hotel due to price gouging in the surrounding areas because they know that people have nowhere to go. We applied for FEMA. Myself and my sister applied. My sister applied first. She got denied. I said, okay, let me try. I applied. We got denied.
You know it's JEJE vibe. JEJE vibes. What's up, ladies and gentlemen?
We're back.
Yo, it's a crazy time right now.
It is.
Hurricane Helen. Crazy times.
Crazy.
But first of all, let's send our prayers out to everybody who was affected by this hurricane. This is an historic event.
It is. Considering the economic hardship that everyone is going through now, topping it with losing your homes and your properties, no light, no electricity, being stuck because everywhere is flooded. Crazy.
Well, my house is currently flooding, and my neighbor's house is, what is that? I saw a big old fat log come out. My car, gone. It could have been up there, but I decided to be hard-headed. And now that poor car is holding on by a thread. I called the emergency. They said they're gonna be on their way, but I don't know how many people are probably already calling them. I probably should have left. I should have listened to everybody. But did I? No.
I can't imagine what people are going through in the regions that were affected.
Crazy. So from JEJE Vibe, we're sending out our prayers to everybody that's been affected by this horrific, historic event. Our prayers out to you guys as you guys try to gather yourself together. And for those who have not yet been found, our prayers out to you too. Hopefully you get rescued soon and get the help that you need.
It's been crazy natural disaster events since the beginning of this year. Not long ago was the Dubai flooding.
Crazy.
And then the flooding that happened in China and a couple of other regions as well. Even mudslide.
Crazy.
Now this hurricane also came with mudslides.
I'm okay.
My car's gone.
I'm okay. It's okay.
The everything's gone. It's all gone.
It's okay. It's okay.
Are your parents okay?
They're okay.
Was anybody in the gym?
It's okay. It's okay.
Hey, you're okay.
Came with a whole lot of damage. It's like towns were wiped out of the map. Homes gone.
Some had extra like several feelings of sand. Crazy.
It's been a crazy.
Some towns were like wiped out, submerged in water.
Crazy.
Black Mountain, one of the hardest hit areas in western North Carolina. Officials say we're looking at months, maybe even years before life gets back to normal.
Crazy. So we're going to be talking about Hurricane Helen. So let's check out the news. Crazy. Homes.
Several homes and businesses destroyed.
God. This is crazy. This is different. And they're saying this is worse than Hurricane Katrina.
And people are still having the after effect of Hurricane Katrina till today.
I can only imagine how
how long it's gonna take to rebuild again. Crazy. That's a river, man.
23 feet of water. 23 feet of water. That's crazy. That's mad.
There's the high water mark. You can see it on the Corten. Follow across. There's the gauge. There's the JEJE sign. I don't know what they're saying in the rest of the world, but I got 26 and a half feet, almost 27 feet.
Crazy.
Here.
What?
That means like 2 level-story buildings buried.
Crazy.
That's what we're seeing with our own dang eyes.
That's crazy. Crazy. So let's hear what the government is saying about this crazy, catastrophic
Events.
My FEMA advisor is on the ground in Florida right now. There's a distinction between the numbers that FEMA's used and the ones that are used by the locals. So it really is amazing. You saw the photographs. It's stunning.
It's unbelievable. But
it really is.
Such a wide area.
And we've given them all everything that we have. We're on the ground ahead of time. So we're working hard.
Are there any more resources the federal government?
Saying we're giving them all that we have. That's the president. And now let's hear from the vice president, who's also running for the next election.
Leaders for together creating a task force-like response, knowing that we are at our best when we work together and coordinate resources, coordinate our communications to the maximum effect for the community that has been impacted. And the federal relief and assistance that we have been providing has included FEMA providing $750 for folks who need immediate needs being met, such as food, baby formula, and the like. And you can apply now for anyone who is watching this who has been affected. There are FEMA personnel who are going door to door to interact personally with folks, especially those who do not have electricity. But also that aid, if you have electricity, can be applied for online. And I encourage people to do that. FEMA will just basically verify your address, and then the process should take hold.
What I don't understand is, why are individuals getting $750? What is that going to do, especially in this crazy economy?
$750 for people who have lost their homes,
Their properties, everything, even family.
They don't even have internet. There is no power supply. How are they supposed
Some are still stuck.
How are they even supposed to apply online if they don't even have power to even apply for aid?
Crazy.
Internet to apply for aid.
I just want everyone to know that we are displaced due to Hurricane Helen from Western North Carolina. We cannot go home. We have no power, no food, no water, no nothing. We are spending $400 a night on a hotel due to price gouging in the surrounding areas because they know that people have nowhere to go. We applied for FEMA. Myself and my sister applied. My sister applied first. She got denied. I said, okay, let me try. I applied. We got denied. So we have both been denied FEMA assistance. So everyone's saying FEMA is helping $750. And by the way, that $750 wouldn't even cover 2 nights at this hotel. So I just want everyone to know that FEMA sucks and President's doing nothing and we are stuck here. I am blowing through all my savings in a hotel.
This is crazy. This is crazy.
And then we hear FEMA saying that they're broke now.
In times of
We are meeting the immediate needs with the money that we have. We are expecting another hurricane hitting. We do not have the funds. FEMA does not have the funds to make it through the season.
This all comes as the Biden-Harris administration spent over $1 billion from a FEMA program on services for migrants.
What has FEMA got to do with immigration? That's my question. Because FEMA, whatever money that they have, it's supposed to be for in case of natural disasters. You know, this has something that they I guess, funds that are kept for things like this. Now, they don't even have the funds for it because they've used it for something else.
Close to $1 billion.
From last year to this year. Last year they spent about
300
and something million. And then this year alone, 600.
So I was like,
and then now that people are in need, you cannot provide aid for them. You prioritized the migrants over the American citizens that pay their own taxes.
this is really sad.
Crazy.
This is really sad. This is really, oh my God. This is really hard to even think about. Like, coming out to say that there is no money. Like, what do you expect people to do now?
So now you can give migrants, because we've seen several videos of how they were giving migrants food stamps and monthly allowances of $2,000 a month or whatever, and then you can accommodate that. Yet people in need, the only thing you can give them is just $750. People that have lost their homes, their family, their properties.
Crazy.
Let's not forget what happened in Maui.
Crazy.
Because it seems like, it seems like everybody forgot about it, but it's not too long ago.
This is sad. This is sad. And Hurricane Helen is not just in one state. This is close.
It happened in, how many states? 5, 4?
6.
Crazy.
10 states that got affected. Florida, Tennessee.
Some
North
towns
Carolina,
are gone.
South Carolina, Virginia. It's crazy. And there is no help coming.
And this is hurricane season. Another one is coming soon.
Oh my God. Oh my God. This is sad. This is sad. I don't want us to turn this to a political conversation. But
it is not. But hey, no matter how you don't want to turn it into a political conversation, nevertheless, it's the federal government's responsibilities to take care of its citizens during this disaster.
Facts.
And the fact that they've had misplaced priorities and spent the money that was supposed to be meant for the people to the migrants now, then I guess it's a little bit political, if I may say.
Crazy. The vice president is saying $750.
What is that going to do?
For those affected.
Grocery alone, that alone would just cover what? Merely groceries, because grocery is expensive.
Oh my God. Oh my God. And also Congress is on break right now. So it's like, this is really a horrific time for all of this to happen. And the fact that the money they're supposed to be for FEMA to attend to emergency, when it comes to this type of emergencies, FEMA is saying we're running out of money. We don't have it like that. So what happens to those who are affected? What happens to the towns that have got submerged by water? What happens to the lives that are still waiting to be rescued? Those who are still hurt by this hurricane? People who have injuries. What happens to them? People who have lost everything, who have lost their homes, lost their properties. What happens to them? This is crazy. This is really sad. And all we can say for now is there's still like the body
Man,
counts.
2024 has been
It's been
hell of a year, man. It has been one thing or the other, and it's still not the end of the year.
It's been a horrific year. It's been a crazy year. And there's a whole lot of people talking about it. There's a whole lot of people reacting to what's happening right now. People are
Even
not
the
happy.
truckers are saying that normally this will be their season to be taking aids to the affected areas, but they're not even getting.
I'm a truck driver, all right? I have a 53-foot step deck. I've been trucking for about 2.5 years. Usually in a disaster situation, it is payday for truckers. We look for that hurricane, we look for that ice storm. There's generators coming to you. There's stuff coming out of military bases. There is excavators, skid steers, bulldozers, tree trimming equipment, pumps, like water pumps to pump water out of places that have been flooded. There's no loads on the load board coming to you within 125.
South Carolina right now. And I originally stopped at Love's, but left because it was too packed. They didn't have showers, so I figured I was going to come up the road to the Pilot. That was a mistake. No power here. See these people behind me? It's a pickup truck. Well, vaguely. See a little blue and white thing? They're filling up water for their livestock. They told me they didn't expect the power to be back on here for a week to 10 days. So it's real, man. And if you're in Asheville, North Carolina, look at Google Maps. They're pretty much landlocked right now. I-40 washed out. It is bad. I don't know where the hell I'm gonna. I got a little bit of food in my truck, but struggle's real, man.
Like some of the roads are even gone.
They are.
Bridges are gone. Towns are gone. Like, this is crazy. This is a huge disaster. Not just the word disaster. This was a huge
Never seen
disaster.
before disaster.
This is crazy times. And this is close to the end of the year. Holidays are coming.
I know, right? Forget holidays. Winter is coming.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
And it's gonna get cold soon.
Oh my God.
So you can imagine.
Whew. I guess all we can say for now is, as we see this whole matter or this whole thing unfold, as we watch closely and see how this whole thing plays out, we want to send our prayers out to everybody who's affected by this crazy disaster. Godspeed as you recover, and blessings. Please be kind to one another out
Yes.
there. Help each other go
Yes.
through this. So if you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe to the channel. You know it's JEJE Vibe.
Oh, JEJE.
See you in the next video. JEJE Vibe, 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 vibe. JEJE Vibe, 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 vibe. You know, you know, you know.